In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your plagiarism report in Grammarly. If you've ever wondered about the originality of your writing or needed a detailed plagiarism analysis, Grammarly can be an incredibly useful tool. But there are a few key points you need to know before diving in. First, it's important to ensure that you have access to the plagiarism checker. This feature is exclusively available to those with paid Grammarly plans, such as the Premium, Business, or Education plans. It's worth noting that if you're part of an institution, like a school, that provides Grammarly access, this feature might be disabled, depending on the subscription. So, check your access first to avoid any surprises down the line. Once you've confirmed you have access, head over to the Grammarly web editor. Simply open your browser and navigate to app.grammarly.com. If you're not already logged in, use your credentials to sign in. Now, you can either create a new document right from the editor, paste your text, or even upload the file you want to check. It's a simple, intuitive process designed to get you started quickly. Now, let's move on to running the plagiarism check itself. In the editor, you'll need to locate the button labeled Check for AI Text and Plagiarism. This is typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you click it, Grammarly will perform a thorough scan of your text by comparing it against countless pieces of web content and various academic databases to ensure your text's originality. After Grammarly completes its check, you'll be able to view the detailed report it generates. This includes highlighting the exact parts of your text that match other sources, along with an overall originality or similarity score. Not only does this help you understand which parts of your text are original, but Grammarly also provides suggested citations in different formats, like MLA, APA, or Chicago, for any text that matches external sources. This can be especially useful for academic writing, where correctly citing sources is crucial. Lastly, you may wonder if this report can be downloaded for future reference. This is where it gets a bit intricate. According to some guidelines provided by educational institutions, you should be able to click on your overall score to see a summary, after which you may have the option to download a PDF of the report. Keep in mind, though, that whether this feature is available can depend on specific factors, such as your Grammarly plan or your institution's settings regarding report exporting. There you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing and understanding the plagiarism report feature in Grammarly. Hopefully, these steps make it easy for you to ensure the originality of your writing and provide the peace of mind you need. Thanks for tuning in.